All right, let me go to Jossie. Says, thanks for the video. I'm currently an Oracle database administrator, and I'm currently studying to become an ISO. All right, so just a little advice for you. So if you happen to be in IT, whether you're a DBA, a database administrator, or if you're a network engineer, whatever the case may be, help desk, whatever, and you're trying to go into ISO, cybersecurity compliance, or information system security officer work, that's what an ISO is. If you're trying to do that, then my advice is to change your resume. So take your resume as a DBA, as a database administrator, and go through everything you've ever done that's related to security. Now, if you've been a DBA for some time, you have uploaded patches. You have installed the system and implemented security controls on that database system, or on the system that's hosting the database, the actual server that's hosting the database, or on the Brocade switch, or on the NAS device that you've connected to it. You've done some kind of security in your career. Put that stuff in your resume whenever you've done vulnerability assessments on it. If you've ever done any kind of uploading, like not just patches, but also doing malware, putting malware on there, or removing malware, or doing incident response. All of those things are related to security. Or continuous monitoring, where you're monitoring to make sure the system is up, making sure that the system has updated documentation. If you've ever written any kind of documentation at all for the system, all those things you can put in your resume. And those are things that normally people don't put. They kind of sideline that stuff. They don't think about it very often. But the thing is, you've done security before. And so that's the stuff you have to put in your resume if you're trying to transition from any kind of IT position to information system security officer work.